The Land Transportation Office, or LTO, has revoked the driver's license of the pickup truck driver involved in a viral road rage incident in Antipolo City, Rizal. LTO Chief Assistant Secretary Marcos Lacanilao confirmed that the agency has obtained statements from both parties and found that the driver, who was seen hitting and threatening a man with a pushcart, will face the full extent of the law, despite offering an apology. According to the LTO chief, the driver claimed he had been arguing with his staff before the trip and carried that anger onto the road. The driver's license had already been confiscated, and the LTO is set to issue the official resolution for the license revocation tomorrow. The LTO chief detailed the driver's action.
Na nung makasalubong niya yung mag-ama, akala niya tinamaan yung sasakyan niya, hindi pala tinamaan. Bumaba siya, pinagmumura niya yung mag-ama. So tinakot pa, may threat pa siya na papatayin niya yung tatay sa harap ng bata.